Hotpoint future frost-free fridge freezer beeping constantly.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Can you post the model number please? Regards.
Hi there, the model is Frost-Free Future FF200E, many thanks.
Hi, if the lights are flashing then you need to turn the freezer dial at the top to off. Then turn it back on and this will stop the lights from flashing. But as to the freezer, empty it out and remove the rear panel. From here you will see the fan and the evaporator. Check to see this isn't blocked up with ice, as ice likes to form in the rear panel and freeze the fan up. If so, use a hairdryer and fully defrost the evaporator. Then turn it back on and see how it goes. If the lights flash again, then turn the freezer dial to off again and this will reset the control unit. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.